stop and tell that boy he's mine. Oh baby, you'll be famous. I'll chase you down until you love me, Papa, paparazzi. And I'll be your girl, backstage at your show, velvet ropes and guitars. Yeah, 'cause you're my rock star. And between the sets, eyeliner and cigarettes, and shadow is burned. Yeah, I'll dance in return. My lashes are dry, purple teardrops I cry. Don't ever rise. Get ready for those flashlights, 'cause you know that baby I'm your biggest fan. I'll follow you until you love me, Papa, paparazzi. Baby, there's no other superstar. You know that I'll be Papa, paparazzi. I promise I'll be kind, but I won't stop until that boy is mine. Baby, you'll be famous. I'll chase you down until you love me, Papa, paparazzi. I'm your biggest fan. I'll follow you until you love me, Papa, paparazzi. Oh baby, there's no other superstar. You know that I'll be Papa, paparazzi. Thank you. He said I loved you, girl, I loved you so. He said I loved you, baby, oh, 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 oh. He said I loved you more than words could say. He said I loved you, baby. So I said, what you saying, boy, you can't be right. How can you be in love with me? We only just met tonight. So I said, boy, I loved you from the start. When your first world love goes down, something started burning in my heart. He said, stop this crazy talk and leave right now, close the door. But I loved you, boy, I loved you so. He said I loved you, baby, oh, 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 oh. He said I loved you more than words to say. He said I loved you, baby. He said stop this crazy talk Okay, this next song is an original, and it's called Bad Guy.
Brown eyes staring at the sky. One whiskey and a beer, that's what he said. Hot topic of everybody's conversation. And you're every young pretty girl's unspoken fear. You're a bad guy, everybody knows that you are a bad guy. What you are, you smoke your cigar, and I can't even find the confidence to speak to you. You're such a bad guy. La 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 la. A bad guy. Oh la 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 la. Unshaved, half smiling at the lady in red. Your looks are deceiving, yeah, you're a book that cannot be read. Hot topic of everybody's conversation. And you're every young pretty girl's unspoken fear. You're a bad guy, everybody knows that you are a bad guy. What you are, you smoke your cigar, and I can't even find the confidence to speak to you. You're such a bad guy. La 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 la. A bad guy. Oh la 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 la. Oh, I know you're kind, I know it very well. You're the kind of guy who likes to kiss and tell. 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 You're such a bad baby guy. Everybody knows that you are a bad guy. What you are, you smoke your cigar, and I can't even find the confidence to speak to you. You're such a bad guy.
Thank you.
Some people live for a fortune. Some people live just for the fame. Some people live for the power, yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that the visible things define what's within. And I before, and that life's a boy so full of the superficial. And some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. And some people want diamond rings, and some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Some people search for that fountain that promises forever young. Some people need 3 dozen roses, and that's the only way to prove you love them. Hand me the world on a silver platter. What good would it be with no one to share, no one who truly cares for me? And some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. And some people want diamond rings, and some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. If I ain't got you with me, baby, see, nothing in this whole damn world don't mean a thing if I ain't got you with me, baby. Thank you. Okay, this next song is another original, and it's called Gone, so I hope you enjoy. You said I'm gonna miss you when you're gone, but I left 'cause you couldn't have been more wrong. And I spoke, but you never listened, so I'm gone. And at least I don't have to listen to you crying no more. And I know that it hurts, but I've got some things to do, like moving on with my life without you. So don't hold up, 'cause baby, I'm gone, said I'm already gone. And don't wait up for love, just try to move on, 'cause I'm already gone, baby, I'm gone. Oh baby, I'm gone. And you hurt me over and over and over again, but I came running back like the fool that I am. And I know that it hurts, but I've got some things to do, like moving on with my life without you. Don't wait for our love, just try to move on, 'cause I'm already gone, baby, I'm gone. Oh, baby, I'm gone. Thank you. Is everyone excited for Phantom tonight? I know I am. I can't wait. Okay, this next song's well, it's quite well known, so. As a place of movie scenes, noise is always round. There are sirens all around, and the streets are mean. If I can make it here, I can make it anywhere. That's what they say. Seen my face in lights on my marquee found down on Broadway. Even if it ain't all it seems, I got a pocket full of dreams. Baby, I'm from New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York. These streets will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you. Let's hear it from New York, New York, New York. On the avenue, there ain't never a curfew. Ladies work so hard. Such a melting pot on the corner selling rock. Preachers pray to God. Hey, the gypsy cab takes me down from Harlem to the Brooklyn Bridge. Someone sleeps tonight with a hunger for more than an empty fridge. Even if it all it seems, I got a pocket full of dreams. Baby, I'm from New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York. These streets will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you. Let's hear from New York, New York. One hand in the air for the big city, big dreams, big lights, all looking pretty. No place in the world that can compare. Put your letters in the air, everybody scream, yeah, 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 yeah. I'm from New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can do. Now you're in New York. These streets will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you. Let's hear for New York, New York, New York. Thank you. I'm definitely not from New York, but I like that song, so. Okay, this song is an original again, and it's quite a new song, so I hope you enjoy. It's like one of my few times I've tried it out with people, so see if you like it. It's called On Demand. sticks and stones won't break me, baby. But it's your heart that always has to capture me. And the answer never was a problem. It's a question that always has to start on me. And is there something I am imagining? This love's for real. And is there something I am imagining? This love's for real. 'Cause you were on demand, boy, and it's a case of understanding. And I'll be playing with your mind, boy, we'll be flying. And there's nothing, nothing I can't do when I'm with you. When I'm with never meant to break those boundaries that kept us sweet and innocent. And the instant was never the problem. Yeah, it's a question that always has to start with me. Is there something I'm imagining? This love's for real. This ain't something I am imagining. This love's for real. 'Cause you were on demand, boy, and it's a case of understanding. And I'll be playing with your mind, boy, we'll be flying. And there's nothing, nothing I can't do when I'm with you. When I'm with you. Thank you. Sorry if that's a bit depressing, but let's play it again. He left in no time to regret. Kept his word with his same old safe bet. Thank you. Okay, this next song is another original. It's normally quite upbeat and quite a big production behind it, but I've tried to tone it down for today, so I hope you enjoy. It's called Like This. He played his love games on me. Now he's taken it elsewhere. Yeah, you played it right in front of me, but I never seemed to care. And I said, keep the beat up, keep it moving like this, like this, like this. Keep the beat up, keep it moving like this, like this, like this. I'll be moving all night and dancing alright, and you won't ever cross my mind. So keep the beat up, keep it moving like this, like this, like this. Life gives us people we don't need, and the ones that we do will stay. But until that moment, don't ever let it get you down. We followed our demons off, and all that matters now is to keep the beat up, keep it moving like this, like this, like this. Keep the beat up, keep it moving like this, like this, like this. I'll be moving all night and dancing right. You won't ever cross my mind. So keep the beat up, keep it moving like this, like this. So you see me standing across the floor. I place my bets, whether I win or whether I fall. I'm a lover, I'm the winner, I'm a great believer. I place my bets to win it all. And I said, keep the beat up, keep it moving like this, like this, like this. Keep the beat up, keep it moving like this, like this, like this. I'll be moving all night, dancing alright, and you won't ever cross my mind. Oh, keep the beat up, keep it moving like this, like this. Thank you. You, I was a flame. Love is a losing game. A five-story fire you came. Love is a losing game. Why I wish I never came. What a mess we made. Now the final frame. Love is a losing game. up by the bed. Love is a losing hand. Why ended I will never understand. Love is a losing hand. Self-professed profile, while the chips were down, and now you're a gambling man. Love is a losing hand. Ooh, for you I was aflame. Love is a losing game. Oh, 5 sorry fire you came. Love is a losing game. Love is a losing game. Thank you. It's actually my grandmother's birthday. Well, not until this week, but we're celebrating tonight. So there she is in the lovely fur jacket. So happy birthday, Nan. Love you. This next song is it's a classic, so I've tried and made it my own. So this is Billie Jean. Beat it even. Told him, don't you ever come around here. Don't wanna see your face, you'd better disappear. The fire's in your eyes, and the words are really clear, so they're out to get you, better do what you can. Don't wanna see no fight, you want to be a man. Well, you gotta stay tough, better do what you can. Just be there, just be there. No one wants to be defeated. How funky, strong is your fight. It shouldn't matter who wins or dies, so be there, just be there, just be there, yeah, just. You can. You don't wanna see no fire, you want to be a man. Well, you better stay tough, yeah, better do what you can. So be dead, just be dead, just be dead, just be dead. No one wants to be defeated. Oh, show them how funky, strong is your fight. It shouldn't matter who wins or dies. Just be there, just be there, just be there, just be there. Thank you. How long do I have left? Oh. Just wondering how long I had left. Okay, this next song is another original, and it's actually the song that won me the support slot for Joan on the Trade-In a month ago. So, yeah, the song is now a favourite of mine. So it's Tears May Fall. I hope you enjoy it.
Fall in love with the ones we have to lose, the ones who hurt you badly, but no matter what, he makes you happy. There's a look in your eye that brings me back to you, that says give me another chance. 'Cause I know that tears may fall when you walk at that door, but I know that I'll be okay. And I know that tears may fall, but I'll be standing strong. Oh baby, my tears may fall. Has there ever been a moment when you have told me no lies? A moment where I've asked myself what is going through his mind, and you used to tell me I need to slow down, stop asking crazy questions and thinking out. 'Cause I know that tears may fall when you walk at that door, but I know that I'll be okay. And I know that tears may fall, but I'll be standing strong. Oh baby, my tears may fall. What can I do to make things better? No, there's nothing else I can do. And after everything that was said, you know I just can't forget. No, when you walk at the door, but I know that I'll be okay. And I know that tears may fall, but I'll be standing strong. Oh, baby, my tears may fall. My tears may fall.
Thank you. Okay, this next one's another original, and it's called Take What I Can Get.
I'm done now, and I won't let him take nothing from me. And I'm righteous that it ain't just me he's been loving. With him, it's like drawing blood out of a stone. So I'll take what I can get until there's nothing really left for me, for me. Baby, baby, is this true? 'Cause I've been hurting so hard and feeling blue. Just another love fling, I've had it before. I don't want to hear you lying no more. So I'll take what I can get until there's nothing really left. Yeah, I'ma take what I can get till there's nothing really left. I'm gonna take what I can get.
and it ain't very entertaining. And to treat a girl like me, gotta keep a lot of good maintaining. With him, he can't even step into my zone. So I'll take what I can get until there's nothing really left for me, Baby, baby, is this true? 'Cause I've been hurting so hard and feeling blue. Just another love fling, I've heard it before. I don't want to hear lying no more. So I'ma take what I can get until there's nothing really left. Yeah, I'ma take what I can get until there's nothing really left. I'm gonna take what I can get. I'ma take what I can get until there's nothing really left. I'ma take what I can get until there's nothing really left. I'ma take what I can get. Thank you. This next song is another original, and it's called Green Eyed Monster. So I think people can like kind of guess what it's about. But yeah. Everybody wants to be something that they're not. Everybody's trying to be something that every other wants. Shut your mouth and smell the scent of sweet revenge. Close your mouth with those jealous words and let me be, 'cause they mean nothing at all to me. You're the green-eyed monster, the one I used to fear, a one-man dictator, but I'm still here, but I'm still here. All you do is put me down, make a growl in front of everybody else. So I'll let karma take its turn and come down firm until you look at yourself. Shut your eyes and smell the scent of sweet revenge. Close your mouth with those jealous words and let me be, 'cause they mean nothing at all to me. Yeah. You're the green-eyed monster, the one I used to fear, a one-man dictator, but I'm still here, but I'm still here. Thank you, everyone. Okay, this next song is going to be a cover. It was in the charts quite a lot. I don't know if some people will recognize it, but yeah, here goes. Ladies and gentlemen, this is something they call the crown breaker. So let me first apologize to the shirts and the ties for your makeup, 'cause I'll make you ugly as soon as it drops. We on a rampage, bottles popping up before we know it. There's rubble in us 'cause we be messing it up. Somebody say yeah, yeah. I predict an earthquake up in here. Say yeah, I predict an earthquake up in here. 'Cause we throw bombs on it, just smash something and much for me. I predict an earthquake up in here. Ladies and gentlemen, what you're about to witness is no illusion. Now we got the bass banging from here to Buckingham Palace, they're all moving. Hey Simon, we're messing them up, turning them psycho. Everybody rock, we bring the house down to rubble and dust, 'cause we be messing it up. Somebody say yeah, yeah. I predict an earthquake up in here. Say yeah, 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 yeah. I predict an earthquake up in here. 'Cause we throw bombs on it, just smash something and much for me. I predict an earthquake up in here. Scream. I predict an earthquake up in here. Say yeah, yeah, yeah. I predict an earthquake up in here. 'Cause we know, yeah, yeah, just smash something, yeah, much for me. Ooh, yeah, yeah. I predict an earthquake up in here. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks to everyone who's staying. It looks like most people are going in, but I don't mind. Okay, this next song is an original of mine. It's called Don't Wanna Fall in Love. You can't stop looking at her, trying your best to impress. You can't stop looking at her, wondering why your life's such a mess. Desperate for the fame, or you'll do anything, oh yeah, yeah. Holding on to names for you to just claim, oh yeah, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna be faithful to you, baby, and I don't want your name to cross my chest, yeah. Don't want to fall in love again. Don't want to fall in love. Don't want to fall in love. Don't want to. You can't be yourself. I'm trying to be someone else. Can't stop wondering why you're gonna go down, 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 down. Desperate for the fame, or you'll do anything. anything. Oh, yeah, yeah. Holding on to names for you to just claim. Ah, yeah, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna be faithful to you, baby. And I don't want your name tattooed across my chest, yeah. Don't want to fall in love again. Don't want to fall in love. Go home and paint your own facade. 'Cause you always think you're the man in charge. 'Cause I don't wanna be faithful to you, baby. I don't want your name tattooed across my chest, yeah. Don't want to fall in love again. Don't want to fall in love. Don't want to fall in love. Cause I don't wanna be faithful to you, baby. I don't want your name tattooed across my chest, yeah. I don't want to fall in love again. I want to fall in love. Thank you.